Hi, I'm Paulette.
And I am Penelope.
And we're going to show you how to make Easter baskets. So we invite you to
come play with us.
Okay, and we've done Easter baskets for years, right?
Right.
Years and years.
Yes.
Yes, even though Penelope is 7 now, this is not her first webisode. What did you do on the first one?
Paper doilies.
And what did you make?
Flowers.
That's right. And we put it on a card. But now we're into Easter. So this is one that we made last year. And what do you have over there?
This is another type that we made last year.
And what is this on it?
This says Happy Easter.
And what is it?
A dazzle.
Right. You like dazzles?
Yes.
Yes. You could say it loud.
Yes.
Yes, good girl. Okay, so we're going to start with holographic paper. So I have a whole bunch of them. So we have Easter grass everywhere. So we have ripple and hearts. What else do we have?
We have stars.
Okay.
And we have dots, and we have fireworks.
Fireworks. Okay, so your choice. Which one do we want to show? Big decision here.
Ripples.
Ripples? Oh, a silver one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to scoot these back. So what we do is some measuring and things. So the first thing is on the back, there's going to be a part that has words and lettering. And we want to cut a handle off the other side. So let me see. So it's going to be off of this side. And it's about, almost an inch wide, something like that. So I'm just going to cut it with my paper trimmer. And that's going to be
the next part.
Can you do the next part? Yes, well, I have to measure the next part. So that's going to be the handle, okay? So you're going to
This is going to be the handle.
That one is, okay. So you want to hold on to it over there? Okay. Now I'm going to turn this over and I have to measure. And I measure in 2 inches from all the sides. Now, this is a little slow. So I'm going to go ahead and measure it and make my lines. And we'll speed this up. Okay, now, scissors. You know about cutting scissors. Okay, so
all the lines?
No, just one line. So if you'll cut one part on at each corner. Okay, let's scoot it over here. Okay, just cut right to that mark. Not anymore. Perfect. Now, that one. Excellent. That one. Good. And then that one. Got it? Good. Okay. Now we're going to fold these on the line, so I need you to help me. Can you fold on that one? And I'll fold on this one. Just push. And yeah, that's good. Well, can I have the scissors? We're going to use the handle of the scissor to just press on it. Can you do that on your side? Good. Okay. Ready? Okay. Now we're going to do all of these, fold every single one of these. Okay. Good. Good job. And then this one in. Now we talked before about using a stylus. And can I show you what a stylus will do before you fold that? If we wanted to, we could bring the ruler in and we could press really hard. And
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it. And go right down. Here, let me open this up. And go right along that line.
Can you move this one?
Yeah, we can open that one up. Okay, you got it? Let's see, let's scoot this way a little bit. Okay, in your hand, I'll press right along the ruler all the way. Excellent. And then it's going to make it a little easier to fold. Can you feel that impression?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, that's so much easier to fold, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now, got it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now we're going to take these edges and
I know
tuck
what
them
to
in. You know what to do?
Yeah.
Okay, go
We're
ahead.
gonna tuck them in like this.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
And
just
we-
hold these.
And you can staple them, which is what we've done in the past, but I brought some of this extra sticky tape. And I'm going to cut a whole bunch of pieces of it, and you can put it right next to the fold on the outside.
Is it sticky on each side?
It's sticky on both sides, right next to the fold.
Right there?
The fold's over here. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. Okay. Now press it next to there, and what happens? So hold it. Holds it really nicely. Okay, we're going to do that a few more times. Now on the...
It didn't hold it.
It didn't hold it? Where is it?
Right there in the...
Do you need another piece? Yeah. Oh, I know why it came off. Okay. Let me put another one. I think I had been messing with that one. Okay, there you go. Okay, you're putting it right down there. How are you doing?
Good.
You doing good? Okay, we'll get you another piece. You have a cold, don't you?
Yeah.
Here's a little piece. And I'll get you a bigger piece. I have Easter grass on my extra sticky tape. Wonder how that happened.
Mm.
Okay, one more. Is it working?
Yep.
Okay, good. And how is our basket coming?
Good.
Is it good? Okay, is it looking like a basket?
This is a basket that we're doing.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, how about the handle? Where's
I
the
think
handle?
I need the scissors to trim like this. 'Cause
Oh, I didn't do that quite straight. Okay. So she's going to make it perfect. Here, let me scoot it over here so people can see what you're doing. Okay. There you go. Okay, you can just, there you go. Perfect. Okay, you
There's
cut that
the-
side. Okay, that bothers you that it's not perfect?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Kind of hard to cut with scissors that long, isn't it? Do you want some help?
Yeah.
Okay, will you get the handle ready, please? And we're going to put that glue on the shiny side. Okay?
What?
The glue that I'm going to hand you another strip. Okay, so put it at the bottom of the shiny side. There you go. And I'm going to give you, okay, so go ahead and attach it right in the center there. Perfect. And here's some more of the sticky. Put on the shiny. Yes. And then attach it on the inside. Perfect. And then we need to decorate it. Okay? So I have new dazzles. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. So I have new dazzles for you. Look at all the dazzles. We have Easter chicks, and we have brown bunnies and hoppy spring, and rabbits that are jumping, and rabbits that are jumping in gold, and then we have pink Happy Easter. So what do you want to put on it? So what are you choosing?
I'm going to put a rabbit hopping in gold on it.
Okay. Where are you going to put the rabbit?
I'm going to put the rabbit on the handle.
And that fits perfectly. Oh, what a good idea. Are you going to do more on the sides?
Probably.
Okay. Let's let Houston get close to it. Houston, can you get close? There you go. Here, let me turn it a little bit. There. You see the rabbit? Looks like he's running through a field of something. Huh.
Water.
Water. Okay. Now what else are you going to do on the side? You have fancy eggs.
In front of the rabbit, I'm going to put a carrot.
A carrot. And you might notice that Penelope has alternating colors of fingernail polish on. There you go. Oh.
I'm gonna
put it right here.
I'm going to put the carrot right onto there.
Okay. Putting the carrot right there. What else? How about the bunny? Do you want to put the bunny somewhere?
Not right this moment. I'm gonna put this other carrot right here.
Okay. Nice. Maybe something bigger or more rabbits?
I'm gonna put one of these cute bunnies on it.
Okay. Where is it gonna go?
I haven't figured out.
Have you figured it out?
No. On this end.
Okay. You can have it facing you. That's okay. Oops. Like that?
Yeah.
Nice. Let him rest right there. That's good. Pulling that little part out. Yeah. That's a cute bunny.
And
You like that?
and bunnies don't usually look like bunnies without eyes.
Oh, you have to put the eye in. See, you've got tiny fingers, so you can handle that. I have to do that with an X-Acto knife. There. There's your bunny.
There's a cute bunny.
That's a cute bunny. Okay. You want to do anything else on it? Maybe on the other end? What do you think?
On the other end, I'm going to do a chick.
Okay. A cute chick to go with your cute bunny?
Yes, a cute chick.
Okay. Very nice. Okay, so there's your cute chick. There's your carrot.
What's that
And
say?
your cute bunny. It says peep, peep. You want to put that next to your chick?
I'm going to put something else on near the chick. It's a peep, peep thing. It says peep, peep.
You put one on each side? Are you going to stack them or what? One there. Oh, you're stacking them. That's clever. Peep, peep. Okay. Are you done now? Or
No,
you're going to do more?
I'm going to do more of these sides.
Okay. What do you think?
Now I'm going to do another cute chick.
Okay.
It's a silver chick.
It's a gold chick
Gold
on
chick.
your silver. Yes. Okay.
There's a gold chick.
Okay. Does that take care of it, or are you still going?
Still going.
You're still going? You might want to try the black things, because I think they'll show up really nicely. You want to do another?
Now I'm going to put a black rabbit on it.
Okay. Yeah, see, that really, that's a kind of like a
Now
shadow.
for the other side.
Then I turn the other side. Okay. I'm just here to hold this for you.
There's going to be an Easter egg on it.
Okay. Yeah. That looks nice. Okay. Can
Still one on
Oh,
this.
you still have more space to fill? Okay.
What's this say?
That says Hoppy Easter. Like a bunny hopping. Hoppy, okay. Oh, it says, I'm sorry, it says Hoppy Spring. Good. So you've got your Hoppy Spring.
And
Okay.
and we have to put grass.
We have to put grass in, you're right. Okay, you want to put grass in?
Now we're gonna put some grass in.
Okay.
You want to be careful to put just the right amount, otherwise it spills out the sides.
Is that the right amount, or do you need more?
I think this is perfect,
You think that's perfect?
but I can't just throw it all in, otherwise it will just spill out the sides.
Oh, okay. Is that just the right amount?
Just have to fix the ones that are gashing out the sides.
Okay. Are you done?
So this is an Easter basket.
And is it perfect? Is it just what you want?
Yes.
Yes. What are we going to do with this? We're going to fill it with candy and leave it for someone?
Hello.
You don't know? What do you think?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, we'll think about it. I want to show them something you did last year. This was using the little tiny flower dazzles, and she took a chenille stem and then put all the flowers on it.
A pipe cleaner stem.
A pipe cleaner stem. Houston, can we get closer? And butterflies, and they're all just on top of each other. Okay, and we'll have a money saver special with some of the papers and the Easter dazzles. Thank you, Penelope. Good job. You want to say bye?
Bye.